Shanghai, known for its hustle and bustle, saw the world premiere of a new contender in the automotive realm, the Mercedes-AMG GT 63 SE Performance. Picture this: the glitz and glam of a Formula One weekend, the scent of rubber lingering in the air, and bam! Enter the stage, the epitome of automotive prowess, the GT 63 SE Performance. With a hybrid drive boasting a jaw-dropping 816 horsepower, this beauty promises to rewrite the rules of acceleration, clocking in at a mind-boggling 2.8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. It's like strapping yourself onto a rocket. Top speed? A blistering 320 kilometers per hour. Hold on to your seats, folks, because this ride means business. But let's talk tech. Roll stabilization, all-wheel drive, rear axle steering. This isn't your grandpa's sedan. And let's not forget the ceramic high-performance composite brake system, because who doesn't love stopping on a dime? Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. The hybrid drive features a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine paired with an electric motor, pumping out a whopping 1,420 Newton-meters of torque. And don't worry about range anxiety. This bad boy boasts 13 kilometers of electric travel. But wait, there's more. Inspired by the high-octane world of Formula One, the AMG High Performance battery ensures optimal power delivery, even when you're pushing the limits. Plus, with active aerodynamics and rear axle steering, you'll feel like you're driving on rails, albeit incredibly fast rails. Now, let's talk customization. From paint colors to interior trim, the manufacturer program lets you personalize every inch of your ride. Want your steering wheel to match your exterior paint? Done. Prefer your floor mats with a side of AMG logo? Consider it done. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the MBUX multimedia system. With hybrid-specific displays and functions, it's like having a virtual race engineer right at your fingertips. As we marvel at the marvels of modern engineering, let's not forget to savor the simple pleasures of the open road. After all, sometimes the journey is just as important as the destination.